Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and today we're going to be taking a look at the brand new Ring Alarm wireless home security system. So we're going to do a quick unboxing here for you and show you what comes inside. So first things first, we're going to lift the sleeve up off of the packaging, and then from there we are upside down, so you can just flip up the back of the packaging, and it actually tells you what's in the box right here on the back, but we'll take a closer look anyways. We've got a bill right there, it looks like. So first thing you're going to notice here is the base station. So this is kind of it's a larger piece of the entire puzzle here, but it's not actually that big. And what this is essentially the hub of the whole unit. So you've got here on the back, there's a USB input, there's an Ethernet connection, and then you've got your power connection there as well. So this is gonna either, looks like, mount to your wall with these little keyhole mounts, or you can set it on a table according to the packaging here. So I'll put that off to the side for now. So that's gonna be kind of the brain of the whole system. Next, we've got some instructions here, very important, a little sticker that you can throw on your door, just kind of let people know that you do have a security system. And then we've got how to mount your Ring base station, so a little info there, and the Ring Alarm Getting Started guide. So this is going to just kind of give you some really basic details on how to get everything started, shows you what comes in the box, gives you details on how to connect your base station. So important stuff here to look at just to make sure you're setting everything up properly. So again, we'll throw this off to the side. And next up, we've got, let's see here, the keypad. Pretty self-explanatory. It's got all your keys on it. This is going to be how you arm your system. There's three different options, three kind of different levels of protection, I guess, that it's going to offer you. So there's one that kind of allows some movement in the house, and one that's completely basically covers everything. So you've got your keypad here on the side, and then your three buttons and a little indicator in the middle here. And this, there's a little micro USB connection up there. It's going to be kind of hard to see. And then again, this is something that you can mount on the wall, or you can have it sitting just on a table. So it's pretty easy setup. Next up, we've got the motion detector. And again, you got your keyhole mounts on the back there. So you can mount this ideally just up higher on the wall. Around 7 feet, I think, is the ideal height for something like this. So this is going to pick up motion and set off the alarm if necessary. And then you've got also a, well, this is, I guess, just part of the contact sensor, it looks like. So there should be another piece of that in here somewhere. We'll leave that out for now. Then we've got the extender. So this is going to be, if you extend your system at all, this will kind of bring that signal to the other parts of it. Or if you're going to have your motion detector and your contact sensor, excuse me, kind of further apart, this just makes sure that signal's getting to everything, so that everything's talking to one another. And we've got one more layer here. Power brick and a micro USB cable to plug in to your keypad. And lastly, the power cord to plug into the actual base station. And I think, oh no, we've got a couple more things here. Motion Detector Install Kit. We'll open that up, see what comes inside here. And this kind of all ties in with the Ring app. So if you have a Ring doorbell, everything's going to be kind of located in one central spot on an app, on your phone, on your tablet, whatever you're going to put that app on. So it kind of keeps everything consolidated, easy to find and easy to monitor, which is a good thing. This just has some, looks like some mollies here, some screws for mounting the motion detector. If you wanted to mount it on the wall with screws, you can do that. And it looks like there's some mounting tape also, so you don't even have to use screws. That's kind of one of the benefits of this system, is that if you want, you don't have to use any tools to install it. So it's just it's designed to be a really easy install. And next up, Keypad Install Kit. Doesn't look like there's much in here, not at all. 2 screws, 2 anchors, and that's it for the Keypad Install Kit. That is if you choose to mount it on the wall. You can use that for that application. And contact sensor install kit. She's giving me a little hard time here. And let's see what comes in there. I imagine it's going to be the other half of the sensor, and it is. So again, there's tape in here, there's a magnet. This is gonna be magnetized so it'll stick to the other half there. And then you also have anchors and screws if you do want to mount this, I guess, a little more securely into a door or into a window. So that's the entire kit. There's nothing else left in here. Everything's packaged really nicely. And so they say it's $10 a month, or there's a plan for $100 a year, which is obviously the better deal. So you have some options there. Just another great option to keep your home protected, and you can expand the system too. So it's got some good options here. It's reasonably priced as well. For $10 a month or that $100 for the year, if you have a small place, just this kind of basic setup here is going to be good for you, and it's reasonably priced, and it keeps your stuff protected. So what do you guys think? Is Ring someone you'd trust to keep an eye on your home? Make sure you let us know in the comments section. As always, we appreciate you checking out our videos, and stay tuned and subscribe so you get updates whenever we post new content.